What's up, guys? So my running lights and my blinkers are out right now. I think the bulbs are just burnt out. They've been burnt out since I've had the car. So today I'm going to be replacing them. And I'm going to show you how I do that. So let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is pop your headlights up. You basically pop them all the way up so they're on, and then you turn it to the middle one so they stay up but they turn off. And yeah. Alright, so after you do that, you're gonna want to unscrew these. There's two screws. You want to unscrew both of them. This screw, you have to have your hood down. It'll be easier that way, and then you can put it back up so it'll be easier to get your hands in here. But yeah, unscrew those two, and then you want to unscrew this one over here, and then this will just pop right off, and you'll be able to reach your hands down in there. Okay, as you guys can see, right there would be your blinker, and that's just your running light. You want to basically screw both those off, and then you're gonna bring those lights down to this. This is your brake duct, I think it is. And you'll take them out of there. Okay, so that's about the best angle I can get. All right, you kind of gotta feel around for it. You can't really see in here. You just gotta know what you're doing. So I just unscrewed the first one, and all you're doing is bringing it down here, and you're pushing it through your brake duct. Forgot to mention, you do have to push this down so it's out of the way. And then once you push your cords through, you should be able to just feel them. Alright, and this just comes right out. You can replace this bulb, put a new one in, and then just twist it right back where you got it. Do the same thing for that one. That has a clip on it, so you have to push the clip in and twist it. But it's the same process. You just take it out, change the lighting, and put it right back where it is. I just put it all back together, and they're both working. So now I have running lights and blinkers. That was really all, guys. I'm about to go wash my car, so I'll do some videos of that. But yeah.
So it's